Hello 8th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about algebraic identities, brain teasers. Now coming to the second question, find the following products using the suitable identity. Now here onwards the direct questions like the different identities, use that and find the product or factorize and all. Now the first question is 7x minus 9y and 7x minus 9y. Two times same terms are there with the signs. So that means what? It became a 7x minus 9y the whole square. This is which identity? Second, a minus b the whole square. Okay, now it became 7x the whole square minus, it is 2ab. 2 into a is 7x, y is b is 9y plus b squared, 9y the whole square. Remember, a minus b the whole squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Here a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 9y. Okay, now 7x the whole squared, 7 sevens are 49, x squared minus 7 twos are 14, 14 nines are, it is 126, 14 nines are, 9 fours are 36, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, 126 xy plus 9 square, 9 nines are 81 y square. Over. Understood everyone? A minus b the whole square. Okay, now coming to the second question, 6ax plus 5by, 6ax minus 5by. The terms are same, but in between here it is plus, here it is minus. So it will be a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now here a is what? 6ax, isn't it? B is 5by. Understood everyone? So you have to identify which type of identity it is. That is the main thing. Okay, now a squared minus b squared. A is how much? 6ax the whole square. Put the bracket, otherwise it will be wrong. Minus b is 5by the whole square. So 6 squared is 36. A squared x squared minus 5 squared is 25, b squared y squared. This is the answer. Now coming to the third sum. These are direct questions. See, only first question is little bit confusing. We have to think, understand the question properly, but here it is identify the identity, then straight away put the values. Now the question is 3 by 4 p squared plus 2 by 3 q squared. Here also it is same, means which you have to write it twice, isn't it? That means 3 by 4 p squared plus 2 by 3 q squared the whole square. That is a plus b the whole square. Sign is plus, the terms are same. So which is the first identity? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So here a is how much? 3 by 4 p squared and b is 2 by 3 q squared. So take care while writing, that's all. So here we will write 3 by 4 p squared the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into 3 by 4 p squared into 2 by 3 q squared plus b squared is 2 by 3 q squared the whole square. Okay, now 3 by 4 the whole square means 3 का स्क्वायर क्या है 9, 4 का स्क्वायर 16, p स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर p to the power 4 प्लस अभी 2 1s 2 2s 2 1s 2 1s 3 3 कैंसल, क्या बचा p स्क्वायर q स्क्वायर. ठीक है, फ्रैक्शन में हमेशा कटिंग रहता है, वो चेक करो. नाउ 2 स्क्वायर दैट इज 4, 3 स्क्वायर इज 9, q स्क्वायर द होल स्क्वायर इज q to the power 4. Finished. 9 by 16 p to the power 4 plus p squared q squared plus 4 by 9 q to the power 4. Hope everyone understood. We have completed question number 2, first, second and third. Now coming to the fourth sum. Now x plus 3 by 4y minus 4z the whole square. Which one? A plus b plus c the whole square. How to write? A squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Remember? Okay. Now write. A is what? X. B is what? 3 by 4 y. C is what? Minus 4z. Remember. Okay, now start writing. X the whole square, a square, b squared 3 by 4 y the whole square plus c squared is minus 4z the whole square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 3 by 4 y plus 2bc, 2 into b is 3 by 4 y into c is minus 4z plus 2ca, 2 into c is minus 4z into a. Okay. Now it will be x square plus 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, y squared. Now minus 4 squared will be plus 4 4s are 16, z squared. Now here it is plus, here also plus, put plus. Now fraction है तो cancellation रहता है, 2 1s are 2 2s are. So you will be getting 3 by 2. 3 by 2 x y. Okay. Now इधर प्लस है लेकिन अंदर एक माइनस है तो it will be minus. Now here it is 4, here it is 4. So this 4 gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6 yz. Now here it is plus, but inside one minus is there, that is why minus. 2 4s are 8 xz. So the answer is x squared plus 9 by 16 y squared plus 16 z squared plus 3 by 2 xy minus 6yz minus 8xz. Okay. Now coming to the fifth sum. Now little bit higher level. So x plus 2y, x minus 2y, same terms but with the different sign. Now here it is x squared plus 4y squared. This type of sums you have seen in the first question, isn't it? So it is a x plus a plus b, a minus b. You will get what? A squared minus b squared. Terms are same with the different signs. So a is how much? X, and b is what? 2y. Okay. Now this is a squared minus b squared. So a के जगह में x, b के जगह में 2y. So bracket 2y the whole square. Now here write it as it is, x squared plus 4y squared. Now open this, solve this. This becomes x squared minus 2 2s are 4y squared. So you got x squared minus y squared, and here you got x squared plus 4y squared. Now again see, the terms are same but negative and minus and plus. So again the same identity, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. But here a is what? X squared, and b is what? 4y squared. Understood? Okay, that means you will be putting x squared the whole square minus 4y squared the whole square. Now x squared the square will be what? X to the power 4 minus 4 squared. How much? 16. Y squared the square, y to the power 4. So the final answer is x to the power 4 minus 16 y to the power 4. Hope you understood. So there are the steps, it goes on increasing, isn't it? First you solve this and again take that and see which identity it is, and accordingly you solve. Now we have finished the question number 5. Coming to question number 6. Okay, again it is of the same type. X plus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x. So it is same. Here first it is a is equal to x, b is equal to 1 by x. Take that and see. So this becomes x squared minus 1 by x the whole square. A squared minus b squared. Now write this, x squared plus 1 by x squared, then x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now when you open the bracket, it will be x squared minus 1 by x squared, isn't it? Now this one will be x squared plus 1 by x squared. Now here x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now again this became a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. Now here a is equal to x squared, b is equal to 1 by x squared at this time. So a squared will be what? X squared the whole square minus 1 by x squared the whole square. This is within the square bracket. Now you got x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now open this. This became x to the power 4 minus this x to the 1 by x squared the whole square, x to the power 4. Now x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. Now again it is the same. Underline. जो भी आप लोग मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसको अंडरलाइन करने का है. तो अभी फिर से वही टर्म्स आर सेम विद डिफरेंट साइंस. So now here it became a is equal to x to the power 4 and b is equal to 1 by x to the power 4. So it became x to the power 4 the whole square minus 1 by x to the power 4 the whole square. That means x to the power 4 2s are 8 minus 1 by x to the power 8. This is the final answer. So in each and every step, which is the identity used, a plus b, a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. All steps, it is the same identity used, but every time the value is different. Yes or no? Hope everyone understood. We have completed question number 2, all the 6 sums. Find the product. Okay? Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.